morning, guys. It's another beautiful day. It's Friday. Let's make the most of it today, guys. We're gonna go ahead, head over to the shop. My detailer's not in today, so it's gonna be me detailing the cars. That's why I'm wearing a tank top. You got to do what you got to do to get everything done. I got to go ahead and clean up the G80, and I got to go ahead and clean up the Evo. Both cars should be leaving on Saturday, so let's get the day going, y'all. Got the G80 in the tent right now. Gonna go ahead and start with the interior, then do the wheels, do the exterior, get it all nice and ready for our customer. That's the sacrifices you got to do when your detailer doesn't show up. You're the one that got to get it done, but that's okay, guys. Perfectly fine with it. I used to love washing my cars, so it's not an issue at all for me. But man, does this thing look good, and it's not even washed yet. Let's go ahead and just show y'all real quick. It's not really that dirty, I'll be quite frank with y'all, but I want to make sure it's nice and clean. Needs a nice little vacuum, a wipe down, nice wash, because you can see she's dirty. She's got, you can see that? I think you can. Yeah, you can see that. It's dirty, so let's go ahead and get this nice and washed up for him.
Angel in disguise, come on. Heard you lost your home. I see many, but I settle on the mouse for sure. No ceilings in this garden, let's just go get gone. Find ourselves lost in paradise, lost cause written in stone. Baby, I make them
RT Durango in right now. Diego's working on some motor mounts for it. He's going ahead and doing a tire rotation, oil change as well, taking a look at the overall vehicle. If he notices anything, go ahead and we'll notify our customer. I wanted to show y'all that we're working on. We got this Mazda hatchback that got dropped off for an AC concern. Customer is concerned that the vehicle is blowing hot. We went ahead and turned on the vehicle. It was blowing cold, but then we let it sit for a little bit, and the AC is indeed spiking up. So we're gonna go ahead and perform a diagnostic on this vehicle, see what's going on with it, and I'll update y'all with the findings on it. So we were able to get a little bit of free time, so Rob's gonna go ahead, and that noise that we were hearing was coming from the tensioner. So he's gonna go ahead, he's underneath the car right now, getting that tensioner swapped out for us. Gonna go ahead and see if that takes care of the noise that we're hearing. Pretty confident in that. I'll update y'all once that new tensioner is installed. So
size low front of my vices. Fever and so definite silence. Where you take my mind, yeah. This feel like a virus. Been burned once before. I don't know.
This Chevy Silverado in. Junior's going ahead and scanning it. It's got about every damn light on. You can see right there. So Junior's gonna go ahead and perform a diagnostic on this vehicle, see what's going on with it. It's got a ton of lights on, so keep you guys updated on this. Probably gonna be more for like a Monday, but just want to go ahead and perform the diagnostic today. That way we could advise the customer, sell the job, and if it gets approved, then we work on it for Monday. Up here we've got this Ram 1500 5.7 Hemi that's got an oil leak going on from underneath. I'll go ahead and show you guys. There's a little bit coming from that drain plug that is scattering, but we also believe for the oil pan to be leaking as well. So we're gonna go ahead and clean everything up, let the car run, put a new drain plug and see if it is coming from that oil pan, and proceed moving forward from there. We removed this cover right here that's for the rear main. That way you can access it and see if the rear main's leaking. That's not leaking, so we just want to go ahead and do that to confirm, because if you don't pull this off, you'll get a little mixed up. You won't know if it's coming from the oil pan, you won't know if it's coming from the rear main. So we're gonna go ahead and start with cleaning this, replacing the drain plug, and letting the car run and see where it's leaking from. All right, so we're inside of the C7 Corvette right now after the install. Gonna go ahead and drive it, see if that noise is gone, and I'll take you guys along with me. It's gonna be a little difficult to record because this is a 7-speed manual. I promise I got shorts on. I got some washing shorts. Not washing shorts, swim shorts. Y'all know what I mean, but let's go ahead and let this finish warming up and we'll take it for a spin. So I feel like right there I would have already heard the noise. Let's go ahead. Yeah, it's gone. 100% it's gone. Don't mind the shifts, y'all. One-handed right now. I'm trying to steer as well. So Harvey's first time ever touching a car. Would you guys believe that?
Believe it or not, I saw it on a YouTube video before doing
There it is, you know, YouTube mechanic Harvey.
But on the video, he cut the scene where he got to remove the front end. So I don't know what to do next.
Okay. So yeah, right now Harvey's working on a muffler for this Mazda.
It's supposed to be a muffler?
Harvey's right now doing a whole AC kit on this vehicle. Customer that I showed y'all earlier today. Compressor is weak. Customer wants to go ahead, get that replaced, situated, get the vehicle's AC running nice and cold again. Harvey's normally our guy up front, but he does get back here and get his hands dirty. He has plenty of mechanic knowledge, so he's just working on this right now.
This is what I mean when I tell my customer we do it all.
Yeah.
We even the bicycle.
Got the G80 up in the air right now, just so you guys can see everything underneath it. It is a rebuilt title vehicle. You're gonna see right here. It does have not aftermarket. People say junkyard, you can say junkyard, you can say eBay parts, you can say it came off a used vehicle is what I'm basically trying to get at. So you got that one there, you got another one up there that came out. Right there it is. We're looking for major damages that we can see. It's dirty underneath here, but here you can see the OEM ones. It's gonna be the OEM ones. But overall, it does look pretty solid. The whole undercarriage, showing you guys all that. Nothing that's really catching our eye or making any concerning. So, checks out pretty good, the G80. We got Junior and Rob, they're getting ready for an event that they're going to on Saturday. They're gonna go to OSW, run Ruby at the track. So, best of luck to them out there. As you can see, he's got his wheels in the rear setup, front wheel drive vehicle. So you're gonna rock your skinnies in the rear. Right there. Sting boogies, y'all. Sting definitely gets down. Got the G80 nice and washed up, parked inside. We know how this Florida weather is, so rather leave it in here. Customer's picking it up tomorrow, but it's nice and detailed. And it looks so dang good, guys. This color is absolutely beautiful. I would do some minor things. I would tint those front two glasses. I would tint the windshield, make this thing completely murdered out. Add some more carbon goodies, and this thing's a beauty. Of course, downpipe and tune it, but you guys know where to come to do all that good stuff. Harvey and Rob advised our customer that he did need a tensioner and belt. Unfortunately, customer did deny the work, so we always like to give the customers a heads up if we notice anything on the vehicle. That way they are well aware of everything. So we check out the whole overall vehicle when obviously working on it. And you gotta advise your customers always, let them know what's going on, because you don't want anything looking back on you.
I'm trying to look for a video how to put it back, but pretty sure siliconator can fix it all.
Yeah, there you go. So Harvey's gonna go ahead and silicone the bumper back on there. Just kidding, guys, but in all seriousness, we like to overlook the whole work, make sure everything is good. If we see something broken, we advise the customer right away, because you want to let them know, guys. You want to let them know. You want to have your video evidence. You want to have your photo evidence, just to make sure that everyone's on the same page. I think this is day 2 of Johnny still trying to clean these damn fenders. Look at those things. He's still going at it. Got that. Look at that fucking stance. Check out that. Wow. Wow, there it is. That's the. They ain't got the dogs out. They got the dogs out. As far as this stinger goes, we haven't heard back from arbitration. They tried calling me. I called them 2 minutes right after, and it's been like 5 hours since. Still haven't been able to get a hold of our arbitration guy. It shows online that it's in progress. So hopefully we hear back something on this stinger, because guys, quite frankly, I bought lug nuts for it. I was ready to do everything to this car, get it fixed up and right, but unfortunately, I don't really feel like messing with the oil pressure. I know it's a common issue. However, if you're paying all the money for a vehicle in the auction, I think it's only fair that if you're selling a green light, hey, this vehicle is ready, you know? Like, inspect it, still give it an inspection as a dealership. I like to do that, but little minor things I understand, but oil pressure light, we're kind of playing with fire here, you know? We could dive into it, change the sensor, issue still not fixed. So I'd rather not take the risk, guys. I'd rather just send it back, unwind the deal, but keep you guys updated on that if I hear anything else on it. We got some action on the Evo for tomorrow. Customers coming in, I believe, from somewhere in the beach area. Yeah, we're here in Central Florida, so somewhere on one of the coasts. He's coming in, he's bringing a Mustang 5.0, I believe it's a 2014. It's got a couple goodies on it, short throw shifter, full bolt-ons, tuned, all that fun stuff. He's gonna bring it in, do a trade for this. I believe he's financing. If he's not financing, I believe he's paying cash for the rest. So let's see, fingers crossed, everything goes well. He likes our unit, we like his unit, we can make something happen, you know? So got that working on the Evo. Robin Jr. finishing getting strapped up and ready to go. Check that thing out. Pulled up to the gas station real quick to get it topped off with gas, full tank. We got to put some gas in the Corvette, so I brought Kyle along with me. We're over here just getting these two cars ready, but she's all set and ready for the customer, y'all. Wow, would you look at that? YouTube certified mechanic, RV, my man. Wrapped up on the job. That way we could go ahead and deliver this car to the customer. He needed it for Monday. Efficiency, guys, efficiency. So we're gonna go ahead and make sure the customer gets their vehicle. They needed it for Monday, so Harvey's very familiar with these Mazdas, so his expertise came in handy. So thank you so much, Harvey. We could get this customer back on the road and right before when they needed their car. All right, guys, with all that being said, we're gonna wrap up here at the shop. We're gonna head home. We're gonna go hit the gym. And I'm gonna head out in the C7 because we did just complete that tensioner and belt job. Want to put a couple miles on it, make sure everything's good. And over the weekend, I want to dabble into that check engine light with the transmission cooling fan module that it has. So see if we can get that all sorted out. I really don't want the vehicle to have a check engine light on, especially for something that's not even to the car. So we'll check that all out. So yeah, guys, other than that, it was a great Friday. You know, we got things done, not too busy. We got all of our appointments done and situated. So let's go on, enjoy the weekend, check out some cars in the auction, but let's hit the gym real quick, y'all. All right, y'all, so we're here at the crib. I'm changed up, ready to go to the gym. But guys, when I was on the way here, I literally got pulled over by the cops for the dumbest reason. I'm telling y'all, if y'all live in St. Cloud, man, these cops, they just be tripping for no reason. So I'm in the C7, as y'all know. I had rev match on and I had the car in track mode. I was in second gear, coasting at around 30 miles per hour. It was a red light, so I downshifted into first and I had rev match on. Keep in mind, rev match on. So, you know, threw it into first gear. Car, it's obviously gonna raise the RPMs to match the gear and engage, blah, blah, blah. And around 30 miles per hour. It's pretty loud, you know? So it was a little loud. And yeah, these cops weren't having it. They had someone pulled over in the Supra, and they came and pulled me over. First, the lady cop was nice, and then the other cop came through, and the guy cop was not so nice, trying to tell me that I was revving the car, that I was speeding, and I'm just like, guys, let's just cut to the chase. Was not speeding. I was not revving the car. I tried explaining to him that it's the rev match feature. He wasn't having it whatsoever. Lady cop was a little bit more understanding, but thankfully I walked away scotch-free. I knew I did nothing wrong, y'all. The car's in rev match. I showed them the exhaust. It's the freaking factory exhaust on this car that you just change the modes and it gets louder. Guy wasn't understanding. He tried to tell me he has the same car, but he probably has an older. He said he had a Z06. He didn't tell me what year. I asked him automatic or manual. He said manual. I said, then brother, you should know this car comes with rev match. It's a freaking feature from factory. Anyways, whatever, that's over with. Not gonna let it ruin the night. Gonna go hit the gym. I'll update y'all as soon as I'm out of there. Around like 10:30, we just got done with the gym. It was a pretty decent workout, not bad for a Friday night workout. But yeah, guys, that's gonna wrap up this week, guys. Thank you so much for watching these videos. It really means a lot, guys. If you're enjoying the content, please do not forget to hit a subscribe, hit a like, share it with your friends, you know, all that good stuff, y'all. It really shows us that you're enjoying the content and loving it. If you guys want any specific content, please just ask for it in the comments. Let me know if you like what we're doing, if you don't like, what we can improve in, all that good stuff, guys. For next week, I got a plan. I got to get I want to add at least minimum three cars to the fleet. I'm hoping we move 2 units tomorrow, so let's add 3 new units to the lot and continue enjoying it, you know, continue enjoying this whole process. That's all. At the end of the day, you got to love what you do, guys, and I truly love what I do. So On that note, y'all, let's end the video on a positive note. Everyone take care, have a safe weekend, and you guys are probably going to see this on Monday, but take care, good night, and we'll see y'all next week.